morning I do this simple gua sha routine to help facial puffiness and to also give my face a nice sculpted and refreshed look. It's so important to do gua sha in the morning as after you've been sleeping, fluid tends to build up in the face. So this is why I like to do this routine. Before I start doing the gua sha routine, I gently massage the key lymphatic drainage points to help everything move where it's supposed to. And then afterwards, I like to start off by applying a facial oil to help the gua sha glide smoothly across the skin and to prevent any tugging and any pulling. Start with the jawline. I like to use upward strokes along the jaw, moving over the ear, then back down to the neck. I repeat this for 10 times, and then I like to move on to the smile lines. I use a gentle sort of upward stroke movement along the area for about 10 times once again, and this helps with lifting and smoothing out those smile lines. Then I like to move on to the cheeks. I glide the gua sha from the center of the face up and out towards the ear, then back down for drainage. Again, I do this for 10 times. For the eye area, you need to be very gentle. So I like to first go underneath the eyes. I do light inward strokes, moving towards the inner corner of my eye. Then I move over the eye in a circular motion, repeating this step for about 5 times. Then I switch it up as I do the eyelid area, and I pretty much do outward strokes, as you can see. So moving away from the center again for about 5 times. So 5 to 10 times. Then I pretty much go over the eyebrows, and again I'm doing an outward motion outwards in light strokes for about 10 times. After the eye area, we move to the forehead, and I use upward strokes across the forehead to help lift and smooth the area. I do this for 10 times. To finish the face, I do full drainage movements. I use 3 slow sweeping motions from the forehead, cheeks and jaw, and then pretty much down the neck. And I repeat this 10 times. This is to make sure we drain everything nice and safely. As you can see on the side where I've just finished doing the gua sha routine, you can see that my face looks much more sculpted and refreshed compared to the left hand side, which is still slightly puffy. And I repeat the entire routine on the left hand side of my face. After finishing the gua sha routine on the left hand side, I move on to the neck, and we are pretty much using upward stroke motions from the collarbone to the jawline. This helps with sculpting and reducing puffiness in this area. I've noticed such a difference in my face since doing this consistently. It looks less puffy, more sculpted, and my features feel more defined and lifted. I definitely think consistency is key with this gua sha routine. I hope you enjoyed my YouTube video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls.